Hi and welcome back to my kitchen where I share new recipes every Monday. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe for weekly videos. And this week's recipe, apple pie cookie bars. Kicking off fall season with that tart, crisp, delicious, warm apples. Let's get started. What you will need to make the apple filling is 2 green Granny Smith apples, diced, and about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of butter, vanilla, sugar, and cinnamon. Add those to a pot all together and bring to a boil. Then go ahead and add a touch of cornstarch to thicken. Stir really well, cover, turn off the heat, and let that sit for a few minutes to cool. For the cookie dough, you need your butter, your sugars, vanilla, eggs, flour, and a little bit of baking powder. So move the dry ingredients to the side and start by going ahead mixing the sugar and the butter well together, adding 2 eggs and whisking that really well, adding the vanilla and mix to combine. Go ahead and add the dry ingredients, which is the flour and the baking powder, and mix well to combine. Next up, preheat your oven, grease your baking dish, take a portion of that cookie dough and place on the bottom of your dish, spreading evenly all from one edge to the other. I use the spatula to give me a head start and then press very firmly and gently with my hands, taking the entire caramel apple mixture, get all the juices and the entire apples, swoop around so that it goes from edge to edge. And by the way, the smell of this is out of this world. Next up, taking parcels of the cookie dough and flattening them between your palms, place over top of the apples. Do not press too hard, but it's okay to have pockets where it is peeking out, because once it bakes, you'll see that caramel will bubble out and just be absolutely beautiful and super delicious. So cover as much as you can and then sprinkle with some chopped pecans. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes and cool for 20 minutes to set. And then cut them into squares. And what I love about this recipe is if you have extra apples lying around, you can make it nice with these breakfast bars or snacks. Absolutely delicious, light dessert to have hanging around. And there you have it, apple pie cookie bars, an excellent way to make use of those apples this time of year. Warm, inviting, fall flavors, tangy, crisp apples. Absolutely easy recipe that's a must try this time of year. I hope you like the recipe. Let me know how yours comes out in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for new videos every Monday. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next week with a new video. Bye for now.